How to find your Roblox backup codes. So this is very easy. All we need to do is log into our Roblox account, click on the gear icon in the top right, and then go into settings. Now here we will select security. Now you want to make sure that your email is verified, so go into security. Here if we scroll down, you should see backup codes, and you will see this button generate. If we click on generate, because I've previously generated some codes, it's going to show me this 10 backup codes. I'll just click on continue. Now it's going to ask me for verification via my email, so you want to check your email and copy the code there. So I'll come back in a sec. Okay, so I checked my email, it sent me this code. Now I'll go and paste this code right here, and we need to click on verify. Now this is going to generate some backup codes, and you want to save them. Then you tick this option, I've saved my backup codes, and you can click on close, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.